Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to check the Flywoo Crab racing frame. In this video I'm going to go over its features and soon I'm going to feature it in a build video where I'm going to test the Flywoo Ninja 2207-2450 kV motors and the Flywoo F405 flight controller. The crab frame is available in two colors, so you can get a golden version, which is the one I have, or a titanium one, so you can match it with the golden or titanium Flywoo motors. In addition, this frame costs $40, so it's not that expensive, and inside the kit you're also getting a high quality Kevlar battery strap that on its own costs about $5. Now I'm going to quickly show you how to assemble the frame and then go over its features. Okay, so now the frame is assembled, and first of all, let's weigh it up. As you can see, it weighs 91.1 grams, so it's a pretty lightweight frame. The wheelbase of the frame is about 220 millimeters. The distance between the back motors and also the front ones is about 13 centimeters, and the distance between the back motors and the front ones is about 17.5 centimeters, so this frame is using a Stretch X design. The thickness of the arms is 5.5 millimeters and the width is 10 millimeters. In addition, the arms are replaceable, so in case you're going to break an arm, which is probably going to happen only in a bad crash, you can simply replace it. The thickness of the bottom plate is 2.9 millimeters and it features 30 by 30 mounting holes, and it's a little bit disappointing that they didn't add a 20 by 20 mounting option, or at least provided an adapter. The side parts of the frame are made of a high-quality 7075 aluminum alloy with a thickness of 5 millimeters. The frame supports Micro-FPV camera, and it does provide some protection for the camera lens. The thickness of the top plate is 2 millimeters. Over here you can find a cutout for an antenna connector, and on the sides a cutout for a Velcro strap, which will enable you to mount an action camera on the top of the frame. So overall, the Flywoo Crab seems like a great option if you're in the market for a new racing frame. It looks robust, it's not expensive, and it also features a pretty unique design, which will help you to protect the motors that you're going to use. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, soon I'm going to feature the Flywoo Crab frame in a build video, and I'm also going to test the Flywoo Ninja 2207-2450 kV motors and the F405 flight controller, and I can estimate that it's going to happen in the next 2 weeks or so. As always, I thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it and you find it useful. If you have any questions about this frame, feel free to ask them in the comment section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notification bell if you're not already subscribed. See you on my next videos, and goodbye.